How to earn $2,000 a week? Yes, it's possible. I'm gonna show you a cool way which is so easy to do, and it's a kind of copying and pasting business. Just you copy the content and paste it. That's all, nothing more than that. I'm gonna show you a step by step, and you haven't heard of this method before, I'm sure about this, and I'm gonna show you some great tools, some great websites for that you haven't heard of it before. And plus, this is something so new for you, and it's available worldwide. You don't need any skill, any experience. Please keep watching. Hello, I'm Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. How to earn $2,000 in a week. I'm gonna share with you a cool way to make money online. It's a kind of passive income for you, and you don't need to spend long hours. Please keep watching this video till end, not to miss any information. First of all, we need to have a host, and this is bluehost.com. You can come here, and just for $3 per month you can have a host just like this for WordPress. Plus you can have a free domain for a year. This is Bluehost for WordPress. If you prefer to have this service in another web hosting, this is not a problem, you can do that. After getting host, we need to install WordPress. It's a kind of CMS for you. It's completely free, and you can install on your website and use your website and make a great website. And I will highly recommend you to use WordPress, because WordPress is the #1 in the world for creating websites. And after installing this WordPress, which is so easy to install that, then we need to choose a themes, and from here, if you click here, it will take you over here, and as you see, there are different kinds of themes are available here for you, and for different categories, for different things. We need to have one of them, for example, just like this for our blog, or like this, and they are completely free. You can install them and download them, so easy. And then after that, we need to also add a plugin. We need to click here, it will take us over here, and for search engine optimization, we need to add a plugin, and I recommend you use this one, USEO. You can add this plugin and install it on your website and use this plugin. This is so great for SEO. This is so good for WordPress, and you can use this plugin. Then we need to write articles. If you are not a good writer, don't worry about that. I'm gonna share with you a cool website. Just you can use articles completely free, and you can use it. They are available for you completely free to use, and this is so good. So you don't need to worry about that. Hey Ershad, I don't know how to write articles. That's not a problem for you today. I'm gonna share with you a cool website for that. This is the website Easing Articles. Easing Articles. You can come here, and as you see, there are different categories are available here for you, and you can choose one of them, whatever you like here, anything you like here, any category you like here, you can choose one of them and start copy and pasting. Yes, start copying and pasting just like this. I choose finance. As you see, different subcategories here. I chose credit, for example. I choose credit, and then it will take us over here. You see different topics, different titles for you, different articles, everything, and you see the number of articles is so huge. Just you can choose any article that you like and just copy and pasting just like this. For example, I click here, 5 steps to improve your credit. It will take us over here, and as you see, this is an article for you, 5 steps to improve your credit. Just we need to copy the text, and after that paste this content in your WordPress and add a post, and just like this. Just we have to use this link at the bottom of our article source. In this case, you're allowed to use this article just like this. You can copying and pasting the contents and everything, and then start making money just like this. You can have a great blog on the internet to start making money online. But how we can do that, how we can earn money from our website? This is like this. There is a website for this, mediawine.com. You can come here, and this is a service just like Google Ads, and they show advertisements on your website, and then just by viewing pages you can earn money. I'm gonna talk about page views, that what it is. If you click here, publishers, it will take us over here, and as you see, welcome to MediaWine, and apply now. You click here, and just like this, start, and just enter your information here and start making money. You need to add a special code for your website, and then they will show advertisements on your website, and for each page views you can earn money just like this. And there is another cool website for this one, Thrive, at thrive.com. This is a cool website for you, and as you see, you create amazing content, we make your income thrive. So cool. And we specialize in ad management, learning tools, and as you see, for video, for campaigns, for mobile, advertisements are available in this website. But you need to have also a special traffic from Google. I mean Google traffic from Google. When people search some keywords, you need to rank your weblog, and this is not so difficult for you if you keep posting content every single day, even for example 5 posts a day, 6 posts a day. You don't need to spend long hours on writing articles, because already articles are ready for you. Just you need to copy and paste the articles and add a post on your website, on your blog, and then if you keep posting articles, posting contents on your website, then after a while Google will understand that, hey, this guy is so active, this blog is so active, and then you're going to get some traffic from Google. It's just easy to do, and don't worry about Google SEO, and you can do it with that plugin that I already showed you. With this plugin, with this plugin you can actually improve your WordPress SEO just like this, and you don't need to worry about SEO, and this plugin alone can help you to do that, to drive traffic to your website from google.com. and then you can come here in this website and click here, apply now. You need to enter some information about your website, and then for each page view you can get paid. Yes, just like this. For example, imagine one visitor will come to your website, and then this user visits 10 pages, and for visiting just 10 pages you will earn. You don't need, for example, 100 users a day, just 10 users a day, and if they view some pages, it will be content for you, and you can get money just like this. It's so easy, and just you need to add a special code from this website. There's a unique code, HTML code, and if you don't know how to add this code, don't worry. This website also, there is a plugin for this website. Just add the plugin of this website, and it will show advertisements automatically on your website. And this is a cool website for you. And again, I'm telling you that if you keep posting contents or posting articles every single day, you can make money, and you can get very cool traffic from Google, and be sure about that. So first of all, we need to have a host, then install WordPress, then we need to add a theme just like this, and these themes are available free for you, and you can choose anything that you like here. Which one are you interested in, or which one do you like? You can choose, for example, like this, for like this, something that is suitable for blog. You can choose like this, and then after adding and installing this theme, you need to have a plugin, a special plugin, and this plugin for SEO or search engine optimization. This is so good for you. US SEO, I highly recommend you to install this plugin, US SEO, and it really helps you for Google SEO. And then just keep sending articles, and if you're not a writer or you're not good at writing, you can just come to this website. easinarticles.com. easinarticles.com. Just choose an article just like this, copy the content and paste it, and just we need to be careful that for each article you need to add this link at the bottom of each article just like this. You need to start making money. Then you need to come to this website, mediawine.com. click here, publishers. You will come here and apply now, or you can go to another website at thrive.com, but this is a little difficult for the first time for starting, and you need to have at least 100 page views each day. In this case, you will be accepted by this website and start making money, and for each page view you will get paid. I mean that if a visitor comes to your website and will visit 10 pages, so you will get paid for 10 pages for each page view. Page view is just like this. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe our channel. Be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I will answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Subscribe, click, subscribe. I'm waiting for you. Please click subscribe, click. To watch more videos, please click.